매일 아침. 매일 아침. What does it mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letters is 매일. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 매일. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 378. 매일. 매일. This pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is me, the second syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. 매일. 매일. The word 매일 means every day. Again, 매일 is the Korean term for every day. How do we write 매일 in Hangul? This composed of two syllables. For the first syllable me, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an e character. And for the second syllable il, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder or a ph, iyang, followed by an e character followed by a real character. And then after that, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 매일. Now let's look at this example. It says, every morning. Again, every morning. The Korean translation of this is 매일 아침. Again, it's 매일 아침. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two. It's 매일 and 아침. 매일 means every day, and 아침 means morning. So when we say 매일 아침, it means every day morning or every morning. Once again, 매일, our word for today, means every day, and 아침 is morning. So when we say 매일 아침, it means every day in the morning or every morning. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 매일 아침 is simply every morning. And with that, you've just learned 매일. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 368 to 377. Don't forget our word for today, word number 378, 매일, which means every day. The first word for our review is word number 377, 연필, which means pencil. Next word for our review is 지루해, which means I'm bored of it. Next is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next word is 싫어하다, which means to be boring or tedious. Next is 근데 왜, which means but why. Next is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next is 잘했어, which means good job. Next is 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Next is 존댓말, which means formal speech. And the last word for our review is word number 368, 단어, which means individual word. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.